As the world celebrates World Literacy Day with the theme of promoting literacy on a changing world, stakeholders have been urged to join hands and improve competencies and skills of learners in more technical ways. The stakeholders say CBC education needs to take learners to greater heights as they are made more compatible with life skills. They have urged all teachers to continue with trainings that will enable them to produce competent learners.
Is pumped in the heart. To keep reading and making the world a better place.
Serikali yetu ya Kenya imehakikisha kwamba kila mtoto na kila mwanafunzi ameweza kujiunga na masomo ili kuweza kuhakikisha kwamba mtoto anapomaliza ile grade ya 9 ako na ule uzoefu na ufahamu wa kusoma na kuelewa.
Traditionally, the day has been celebrated as a day that we talk about reading and writing. But literacy is not just about reading and writing. It also involves competences and skills in various disciplines. And for us, Gravity and CBC Resource Center, our vision is very well in line with the theme for this day.
Most of the learning areas in the CBC are not being well got by our learners because maybe of many factors. And it is so surprising that our learners across the country proved that the digital literacy is what they actually liked most.